Welcome to the Geek Divers tutorials. In this episode we'll talk about cash boxes. Cash boxes in Geek Divers are exactly what you think they are. Boxes with some cash. Usually dive centers trust people to take care of little expenses like coffee, tea, sugar, cookies to leave in the dive center for your customers. You can handle cash boxes in Geek Divers in financial and cash flow. If you see here, you have a cash boxes tab. Now I select Dave's cash box. As you can see, it's totally empty. It's a newly created cash box and I need to transfer money to his cash box. To transfer money to a cash box, I need to click on button Transfer Money. The date is automatically set to today. If you do it once a month or every couple of weeks, remember to change the date to here. So let's assume that I transfer 100 euros to Dave's cash box on the 3rd of September. I can click here. I can select the code to transfer money. You can set up your expense codes in your settings. And I can add some info. Here I need to set who paid. Where does the money come from? In my case, it comes from the cost center Germany that is associated with Dive Center 1. The cost center will be Dave's cash box. And the amount, as we said, is 100 euros. I save the transfer. And in Dave's cash box, I will see the transfer of 100 euros. Now this 100 euros is not an expense. It's just the money that has been transferred from one cost center to another. In the Expenses tab, you will not see it. In the cash flow details, you will see two lines, one in green and one in red. To see this money transfer, it's much easier if you select a date range. For example, from the 1st of September to the 5th of September. And then you click on Update. You will see Transfer to Dave's cash box once in green and once in red. Now let's go back to Dave's cash box. As you can see now he has 100 euros in his cash box. Since the 3rd of September, he spent some of this money. So he needs to enter an expense in his cash box. We click on Add Expense. He spent the initial money on the 5th with code Resort Groceries. And he bought coffee. Paid by Dave's cash box, cost center, Dave's cash box. And he spent 10 euros. You save the expense and you will see that Dave's cash box is automatically updated. This number represents the actual status of Dave's cash box. Now let's assume that every 2 weeks you want to reconcile the cash boxes. So whatever is left in the cash box needs to be returned to the main cost center. To transfer back this money to the original cost center, I need to do the reverse operation. Transfer money. Let's assume that we did it on the 10th with code the same that you used to transfer money originally. Paid by Dave's cash box, cost center, back to Germany. And the amount is anything that is left in his cash box, which is 90 euros. Save transfer. And you will see that now the cash box has a total amount of 0. Thank you for watching.